Ciao, ciao, ciao. Hello, it's me, Maverick Lee, and today I am reviewing with you a woman's fragrance called Valentino Born in Roma Yellow Dream. Did you know Valentino, the name, actually means strength and health? Let's get to it. This box has a very nice embossed effect to it, a very nice luxurious feel, which of course only makes it feel more valuable and special. So you should be careful when you open these fragrance bottles from the box, because some people actually drop it, believe it or not. And you should not pick it up, just like I was about to there, from the lid, because the lid can come off, and that would be great, wouldn't it? You drop the bottle, smash it straight away. So you must be very careful when you open these fragrances, because as you know, they are not cheap. This one is quite difficult to get a hold of out the box. But apart from that, look how beautiful and classy, old school, classic, sophisticated that bottle looks. I'm not really liking this bit too much. It reminds me of like a dog's collar. But apart from that, if you ignore that part and look at that bottle, like, can you possibly get a better looking bottle than that? Nice hard glass, but still, you must be careful because you don't want to test it. Currently, as of 2024, the price for one of these Valentino Born in Roma Yellow Dream fragrances currently costs at around $165 for a 100 milliliter bottle, which is around 125 British pounds. Let's give it a smell. Let's see what it's like. It's nice, mild, not too strong, not too intense. Floral, slightly musky. I get the impression it would be long lasting. I can still smell it now. Yeah, the smell stays with you. It's definitely a unique fragrance. I've never smelled something like this before, which is good. I can't quite figure out all of the notes in this. I'm not picking up too many because of the mildness, which is actually a good thing. It's not a bad thing, by the way. I'm picking up some citrusy, slight lemon notes. So that's good too. Yeah, that's not a bad thing, by the way. That's definitely not a bad thing. When I say I can't pick up the notes, obviously, because that's actually good, because it's nice, mild, not overpowering, which means you can actually wear it for more occasions. You know, some of these more intense fragrances are usually for one-off occasions. This one you can use for, I would say, day-to-day use. Yeah, if I was to give this a rating, I would give this a high 4.4 or 4.5. Yeah, I would give it either a high 4.4 or a strong 4.5. But yeah, it would make a perfect gift. As you can see, it looks luxurious, it looks classy, looks elegant. And I mean, just look at that. It even looks like an expensive product. So if that's the impression you want to give off for a gift, then it's obviously going to do it. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. So nice. So yeah, that's it. That's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this short video review. If you did like this video review or this fragrance review, don't forget to check out my other video reviews of my fragrances and other products on my channel. Don't forget, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.